Have you ever wondered how apps like this are making millions of dollars every single month? What if I told you that I've just built an exact clone of this mega successful dating website, and I did it without writing a single line of code? I know it sounds unbelievable, but just look at this screenshot. This is the type of revenue these apps are making every single month. And the best part, I just built this only using one AI tool. Now you might think you need years of programming experience, a huge team, or an endless budget to create an app like this, but that's just not true anymore. I'm about to walk you through the exact step-by-step process that I use to rebuild and clone this application, integrate it with Stripe payments, and set up all the premium features without writing a single line of code. I'm Sean, and I've been using these AI tools for the last year or so now, building out different applications along the way. And what I've found is that one or two AI tools outperform the rest by far. They can literally build whole apps for you without you having to write any code. And in this video, I'll show you the tool that I'm using and prove that anyone can do this. Even complete beginners can build profitable apps and build their own businesses, all thanks to AI. If you've ever wanted to create your own app, work remotely, or just make some extra money from app development and see what's possible with AI right now, then this video is for you. Let's dive in. So I'm going to give Replit its first prompt. Hey, let's build an awesome mobile dating app. First, please build the UI of the app. Then we'll add features afterwards. Build all the sections and the nav bar needed. So AI quickly put together a clean and elegant design for our mobile app. It looks polished even at this early stage. We can discover matches, sort of messaging system. There's a bug there. Settings page and a profile page. So I can see a couple of problems there, but it's a solid start. But remember, building apps and making money online isn't easy. Success in this game, like any other, requires good execution, great marketing, and a lot of hard work. Many apps don't make any money at all, and I'm just showing you one part of the puzzle. I can show you how to build apps quickly, but if you can't market them, it doesn't matter if you build the best tech in the world. So as a bonus, if you hang around till the end, I'll show you exactly how they're getting customers so that you can steal their strategies without paying for the lessons that they had to learn along the way. Now let's enhance this app and give it a bit more of a modern and sleek feel that matches the top dating apps out there and fixes those design issues. Great job, Replit AI. Now please improve the app's design, give it a stylish modern dating app look, and ensure the nav bar and other sections are fully functional, and fix the design issues. Some pages are full width, like the messages. Okay, so Replit AI has upgraded our design and fix those minor issues. Now, if you have a design in Figma, you can upload this directly to Replit and it'll turn your design into production-ready code. This means no messy handoffs to developers, and it'll look exactly as you envision. Now, a dating app isn't complete without user profiles and messages, so let's focus on building out these core functionalities. Great job, Replit AI. Let's add user profile creation, where users can add personal details, images, and preferences. Also build a messaging feature that allows users to connect and chat in the app. Replit AI delivers again, providing us with a fully functional messaging system and profile. Users can now create detailed profiles and interact with each other, bringing our app to life. But what about user engagement? Every successful dating app runs on an algorithm, which keeps the users engaged and enhances the user experience, making sure you match with the right people. So with that, I'm going to give Replit its next prompt. Integrate a sophisticated matchmaking algorithm feature that matches based on interests, make sure the settings and filters work for distance and age, and fix the match button so when I match, they appear in my list of matches. Replit has implemented a sophisticated matchmaking feature. This will suggest potential matches based on my interests. Finally, to monetize the app, we're going to integrate Stripe for payment processing, allowing users to subscribe to premium features. Replit AI, please integrate Stripe, set up a premium subscription model, and a checkout section where users can upgrade their accounts. Replit AI sets everything up, and now users can easily upgrade premium features, providing us with a steady revenue stream. So there you have it, from concept to fully built app with Replit AI without writing a single line of code. Whether you're looking to build your own app or just explore what's possible with AI, the potential is enormous. Alright, so here's how I would go about getting customers for this type of application. I'd jump on the website of our strongest competitors and break down what they're doing that's really successful. These businesses paid millions of dollars in marketing, have huge teams, so we can piggyback on their success and just copy exactly what they're doing pretty much for free. So if I go over to their website, I can take a look at their socials, but what I like doing is looking at their ads libraries. So using Tinder as an example here, I can see they've got a lot of video ads. They rely heavily on image and video advertisements. If you watch some of these ads, they're pretty basic. It doesn't look like they've got a professional editing team. It looks like someone shot it on their iPhone, so you can easily recreate this. What I would do is use one of the AI video generators like VO3 or Sora to recreate a load of these different ads and test them by putting $5 marketing budget behind each of them and running them on a Facebook page. On the Facebook ads library, you can see what's currently running and just copy straight from there. Same with the Google Ads library. So the goal here initially is to get website visitors, and you'll probably underestimate the number of visitors you need to get. I think good conversion rates are in between 1 to 3%. So our competitive advantage here is going to be using AI to create the video content and to test thousands of different pieces of content to find out which one's working. Once you've got a working piece of content, you'll start getting website visitors. Here we can track how the visitor interacts with the website and capture that lead with an email newsletter, for example. If a visitor signs up to the email newsletter, we can remarket to them. And what I've seen Tinder do in a lot of their marketing is have real life stories of people that matched on the application. It's their form of reviews. If we've set up our tracking with Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel, we can retarget them with retargeting ads. These ads are going to be a lot more effective than just plain ads, as it's an already warm customer base. And each part of this journey, you want to be tracking the metrics. They'll tell you which part of the system is failing. If you're not getting enough views from content, you need to focus on that. Once the visitor lands on the website, you want to make sure you're capturing them, remarketing to them, and converting them. If you've got a low conversion rate, you can check the metrics on your analytics with Microsoft Clarity or Google Analytics, see where the user's falling off and try different approaches. Maybe your landing page has a high bounce rate, meaning the header, imagery, videos, text needs to be changed to resonate with the customer. You can look at the demographics in Google Analytics to see who's landing on the website. Older demographic is going to respond to different messaging compared to a younger demographic. You need to know who your ICP is and market to them directly. If you like this breakdown, let me know in the comments and I will create more content like this, diving deeper into how you can attract, retain, and convert customers. This is a simple example that I hope helps you with a strategy on how to market your application.